Today I'm going to share with you a very gentle Qigong routine that will help cultivate deep calmness and connection within yourself. This routine that I'm about to show you is actually the 4th week of my free 4-week Qigong course, foundational course. If you'd like access to the first 3 weeks, just click the link in the description below. All right, let's get started. So just begin gently closing your eyes, standing with your feet about hip width apart. Soft bend in the knees, releasing your low back, so sending your tailbone to the ground, and the top of your head pulled up by a string. The first thing we're going to do is I just want to bring your hands to the lower dantian area. Thumbs touching together. And just allow yourself to begin breathing here, to breathe into this lower belly area. Imagine as though you are a rock that is falling down to the bottom of a lake, landing in this lower dantian part of your body. Gently landing there. Landing in softness, in stillness. And just allowing yourself to breathe here. Allowing your shoulders to relax. Allowing your entire energetic body to sink, to ground. Into this lower dantian area. Finding that space of peace and harmony inside yourself. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Just bringing your hands together. I'm going to just play with the energy ball. So just moving your hands in a gentle circular motion. And seeing if you can feel a sense of magnetism between your two hands. And you may need to close your eyes to be fully present there, to feel. Or you can keep your eyes open for more challenge. Just rotating each direction, seeing if you can feel that magnetic energy between the two palms. You may need to go really slow, you may need to go a little faster, just play around with it. You may need to go a little wider or a little closer. You may not feel it at all, and that's okay. With time, you will be able to feel it more and more. Just be curious. And if for those of you guys that can feel it, see how wide you can make your hands and still feel it. You can move your hands in and out. Just recognizing how this energy is present all around us all the time. Same energy that's inside us, too. You can't see it, but you can feel it. And with practice, you become more sensitive to it. We're just going to bring our hands, our palms of our hands, pointed down to the earth now. Just seeing if you can feel a magnetism between you and the earth. You may need to move your hands in little circles. What's important is that you stay really relaxed. So no stiffness in the body, your legs are not locked out, you're not standing super rigid, soft. Just think softness. Just allow yourself to connect to Mother Earth. Can you feel her? Can you feel her love for you? How she gives you everything you need to live this life. The clothes you wear, the houses you live in, the air you breathe, the cars you drive, the food you eat. And just allowing you to receive this love, to receive this nourishment from Mother Earth. So as you breathe in, just breathing in and imagining as though there's a white light that you're pulling from the earth into your body, connecting to your heart. A line of love from your heart to the center of the earth, to the heart of earth. And slowly moving your hands up to the sky. Seeing if you can feel the energy in the sky. Going as high up into the cosmos as you can. The source of where we come from. And feeling this love from source. The consciousness that you've been given to be here in this physical form. Feeling where you come from. And allowing yourself to receive this love. Breathing it in. Forming that white light from the cosmos down into the center of your heart. You are the connection point. Feeling that love from both directions. Slowly bringing your hands down onto your chest, to your heart. And feeling the energy inside your heart. Feeling how it is a product of Mother Earth and Father Sky. How it's a product of love. How it's the same as love, as perfection. And slowly moving your hands down, bringing your hands to your lower back, pressing your hips forward as you inhale. Exhale, coming down the back of the legs. Inhale, coming up the legs. Exhale as you pass the chest up to the sky. Inhale, bringing the hands down. Exhale as you pass the heart. Again, inhale, pressing the low back. Exhale down the back of the leg. Inhale up the leg. Exhale as you pass the chest. Inhale as you come down into the head, the heart. Exhale as you pass the heart. Again. Inhale, low back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, passing the chest. Inhale, down the head, heart. Exhale. Again. At your own rhythm now. Again. Again. Just imagining as though you're cleansing yourself, clearing any dirtiness, any dirty energy, purifying yourself from the love of Mother Earth, pulling this energy up through the body. Exhale, releasing any stagnancy, any debris. Inhaling, pulling the love back through your head, your heart. Exhale, releasing down the body, any impurities. Showering yourself, like giving your own personal shower, energetic shower. Clearing the mind, warming the heart, releasing. Moving with the breath. Offering up what does not serve you. And taking in, receiving that which you know is true. The love that you are, how loved you are, and the perfection that you are. Recalibrating every cell in your body back to the perfection that it is. Coming back in unity with your heart, with truth, with love. And then we'll go into heavenly chi. Just pulling energy from the earth and from the heavens. Down the body, recalibrating every cell to the original perfection that it is. Imagining every cell in your body lighting up as the crystalline structure that it is. Inhale as the arms come up. Exhale as you scan your body down. Coming back into oneness. Oneness with the earth, with source, with spirit, with your true self, with your heart. And allowing your body to sway and rock. If it's there, not forcing it, just allowing whatever natural movements are there. As you relax back into the perfection that you are. And gently bringing your feet together. And we're just going to finish with our hands on our lower belly. And just softening yourself, allowing yourself to relax, to let go, so much that you become like a tree in the wind, swaying with the rhythm of life, with whatever flow that wants to move through you. Remembering how to let go of control. How to come home to your natural self. How to come home to ease and harmony and love. And slowly opening your eyes, taking a step out, placing a hand on your heart, maybe gently rubbing your heart in circles, just feeling this connection to your heart now. Noticing how you feel now compared to at the beginning of this practice. Noticing if your heart feels more open. And just remembering that the heart is the gateway. To your true self. To what is real and true. And bringing your hands together and setting an intention for your day. Maybe it's to move from this place. To move from this place of lightness, this place of love, this place of truth. Maybe it's something else. Thank you so much for your energy. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Namaste.